Hey everybody, how you doing today? Today is January, I forget, 29th, no, 28th. Um, hey, what I'd like to do today, is just make sure that we're all squared away. You guys have done great this week with it being kind of an abnormal week. Um, Thanks for working hard and being well behaved. So, hey, what I would like to do today is just kind of do a quick review of everything that you should have done through the week and gotten uploaded to Canvas. Okay, so first off, we're finishing up our um, our workshop. Okay, the workshop Water Fight. Okay, we started off on Monday by reading this article called Water Protector about this lady Molly White, and we read this interview. It wasn't an article, I guess it was more of an interview. Okay, you guys should have created a poster. Okay, so kind of come up with the title and the body of the poster, which like down here is the body, facts, statistics, and other evidence, images and illustrations. Okay, you could have used colored markers, all of that good stuff. So hopefully you got through that and you got that turned in also. Okay, yesterday we took some time, so you should have page 122, 123 turned in and completed in your books. And then yesterday we went over the um, let's see here. Just trying to get back to where we were yesterday. We went over the end of workshop checkpoint with the analogies, and the analogies were based on vocabulary that we had from throughout the workshop. Okay, so hopefully you got that finished up and turned in. I know that there was no place for you to turn that in online. So those of you who are at home, um, I'll figure that out with you. But those of you at school, you should have um, gone ahead and put them into your or just left them on my desk. Okay, you should have filled them out and left them on my desk. Okay, today what I'd like you guys to do, obviously watch this video and kind of go through, make sure that you have these things turned in throughout the week. Um, if for some reason you're in school today but you weren't there yesterday, there should be an extra copy of the end of workshop checkpoint in my classroom. Okay, you guys can do that. If you were there and you have all of this 100% complete, what I'd like to do today is uh, let's start right off the bat with student application, and let's get 15 minutes. Okay, then let's jump right to um, independent reading. Okay, you'll need to fill out your reading log and get a reading log turned in today. Uh, so you'll have that. And then with whatever time is left during the class, I'm gonna give you guys just some free time. Okay, so make sure you're very respectful to. I believe Mrs. Fairborn is in the classroom today. Um, Make sure that you're respectful. Make sure that you do a good job. And if you guys want to get a game or whatever out of my classroom covered, you're welcome to do that. So you should have about 15 minutes to do that after you've done the independent reading and the student application. So let's go from there. I'll get this video uploaded, and you guys will be good to go. Thank you.